how to create an Uber Eats account in France. So your first step is to visit the Uber Eats website. So all you gotta do is go to your preferred browser, search for Uber Eats, and the first link should be their official Uber Eats website. So just click on that and you should be brought to the website. In the top right corner, there is a sign up option. Just go ahead and press that, and it should be asked your email or number. So once you provided those, you should be given a I agree button for the terms of use and privacy notice. So just go ahead and press I agree. Then once you've done that and provided your information, you'll be given a verification if it is your number. Once you've done that, you should be given an option to what payment method you will use. So such as a credit card, debit card, or PayPal to make orders. So the next is also important, which is of course your delivery address. So enter your delivery address to provide a valid delivery address. Ensure it's within the Uber Eats service area. So enter the full address, including postal code and code postal. And finally, your account verification if it is optional. So check your inbox for a verification and just input it into Uber Eats website. And finally, you can go ahead and start using Uber Eats. So if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.